Hello
Two
friends,
new
welcome back to the my new
items.
video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are
Double
going to talk
tap
about
to
guys
open.
how to turn off voiceover in iPhone. Friends, you can see this setting guys by mistake guys you have on, and guys now guys you are not operating your phone.
Photos.
So friends, how to turn off guys
Double tap
voiceover
to open.
in iPhone device. Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, how to use this setting. So guys, you can use guys your three finger guys.
Page
You
2
can
of
see guys we can
3.
swipe
Page
like
3
two
of
finger and one
3.
finger you
Show
cannot use
page
it.
3 of
Three finger
3.
you can use your
Showing
iPhone guys.
app
First of all
library.
let me decrease
App
volume.
library. Search field.
So friends, you can see your phone
Page
settings. So
3
guys
of
click on guys your
3.
phone setting,
Page
one
2.
tap here and then wait, and
Page
guys
1 of
continue two
3.
taps, continue two tap
Weather.
guys, we will click here.
Location
Friends, you can see
settings.
this type of
Setting
setting in your
access.
iPhone. So first of all I will back
Access
it. So friends,
settings.
you can see your setting,
Notification.
iPhone settings. So guys click on notification and get any
Notification.
setting, and guys now
Focus.
you can scroll
Rows
it
1 to
with three finger.
rows 7
Then
to
guys you can see this type of settings. So how to off guys voiceover.
18
Friends
to
click on your
31
accessibility
of
setting
62. Rows
and
6
guys double
to
tap here.
21 of
Friends click on
62.
voiceover is on, so guys
Access
you want to off, so
management.
guys tap here and get double tap.
Voiceover.
As you can see one
Voiceover.
tap guys we cannot
Voiceover.
off get this
Voiceover.
voiceover, so guys
Voiceover.
continue to tap guys,
Off.
continue to tap to off voiceover.
Voiceover off.
So once your voiceover will off, and friends you can use your iPhone way without any voiceover. Friends you can see one finger, two finger, four, five finger guys, you can use it without any problem in your iPhone setting, means your iPhone device. So friends you can see voiceover will off. So like the guy we can turn off guys voiceover in accessibility setting, you can on, and friends you want to off, so you
Voiceover.
can off from here.
Voiceover off.
So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your iPhone setting? Friends you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.